Hey, what's up, guys? All right, we're back. Been doing a lot of thinking. I wanted to go over and share my marketing bar. I call it market bar, market structure bar. It's just the bar, basically. And each bar I have set for specific measurements for each pair. And we're going to talk about GBP CHF. So I basically went back to 2012. I had gone back to like 2002 and whatnot, but I said that's kind of too far back because you can't get too detailed going back that far, but I can get a little more detail going 2012. So I'm gonna make my bar. Hold on a second. Alright, so I made my bar. I try to place it in the center. Like, you can put numbers on it. I mean, like numbers, letters, whatever. Put an I, big I, and it'll put it in the middle, hit center. It'll center it for you, find the center, but I generally put it in the center. Then the way it works is this bar kind of represents a certain amount of pips, a certain amount of move, right? Certain movement. Price tends to do this. Let's see if I can. It tends to do it'll do one or two things. Do like this, come up, so if I can make it go sweet. Come up here and then come back in, right, toward the center. Might bounce, come back up. Now, if it breaks out, it's going to retest. Okay, then retest. It can go like that, right? Go this way. I'm trying to make it. Anyway, go that way. If it comes up to here, like if it goes, let's say it goes out, right? Falls back inside. I'm gonna have a sell. I can't write. I'm gonna have a sell order to. I'm gonna have a sell order placed like just underneath that bar, right? Like this, and then have my take profit like that. Now, if it retests, right? Let's say it comes up, it retests, heads out. I'm gonna have a buy stop placed anywhere between, like a certain area. I mean, maybe 10 pips up or something, or like let's say from here, possibly like I'd have like a sell with a 33 pip or 33 pip SL. And then this would be like maybe 40 or 50 pips. Depends on the pair. Some pairs you can grab 40, 60, or have a trailing stop. Go down to here. That's the limit. All the way down. Let's see if I'm one of these levels. Here's the limit, right? Like here's like, I wouldn't go further than that. Absolutely not. But here, when it comes out, bounce here, and then I'll just follow. Oh man, wait. Where is, can I grab this? And I'll just follow the bounce going up. If it bounce, like let's say if it goes like that, right? If it doesn't go back in here, so this is, each pair has a certain, some are longer, I think some are shorter or something like that. So basically, I give you those numbers when you become a member and all that stuff, and then you learn how to use it. But, it's a way to get it, right? So, I mean, what I'm doing is I'm saying these things are predictable. Okay. When things are predictable, they increase our odds of success. Okay. I'm not saying you're going to win all these trades and all that stuff, but when it's predictable, you have a higher chance. Okay. So price comes like this, breaks out. Let's say price let's say it does that, right? Breaks out. I'm trying to make this bend down. Let's say price goes like that, breaks out, right? Retests, continues higher. I'm going to be holding that trade. on up, like, you know, have like a trailing stop or whatever, right? It's gonna do one or two things, because when it makes a move, when it makes this length of a move, it gets exhausted. Or if it's a strong trend, it continues. But a lot of times it just gets exhausted and it reverses, right? It does like a pullback or whatever, right? So, let me do buys and sells on this thing. But, I mean, you get the idea. I don't have to do all that. But, you know, you should understand. Let's go down. Let's see if we can hit down and hit play. Alright, so trades. Now, what's gone past here, that's a level of support. Bounced, broke out, right? So it broke out, got rejected, continued, got rejected again. So we see how that's support, right? So it came back in. All right, so so it comes out, bounces. I would have moved the stop up to the entry, so we would have basically absolutely would have grabbed that. Doing them over and over again, no. I would have been like out of that, so it just would have been a break even, probably, because I moved my stops up. But then at 45 pips, probably moved it to like 10, 15. But whatever, okay. So no L's taken. Then when it comes back inside here, 19, yeah, I wouldn't have moved it. It probably would have been, yeah. So that would have been an S. That would have been a loss there. Wouldn't have played it again. Oops, wouldn't have played it again. Let's see how we play. Let's see, clone. Let's see. Okay, I would have an order up here, sell limit. Where's 30 pip stop? Okay, there it hit target. Right here. I'm trying to show the center. So, I mean, this would have been roughly 50 pips. It would have been a 50 pip gain. Let's clone that. Be somewhere up in like here. Hit there. This would have been a short. At that point, if it reached 22 pips, I try to wait for like 25. So, but is that 20? Let me see. Here, yeah, I would have moved the stop up, so it would have been okay. At this point, it would just be at the entry, and I would wait. So see if I can just, you know, take off the risk and just wait. Okay, there it hit again. Whoops. Hit my 50, right? Yeah, hit my 50. There. So we would be up 100 pips. So it'd be up 100. Oops, 100 pips. So far, next bar. Let's see, wait, okay, play. Okay, there it broke out. Okay, would have been 33 pip. loss, 30 pip loss, 67 pips. So we have an order here. Well, I would wait to see if it did a retest. What I could do is wait for a retest or start another bar. Or I can say, well, depending on, I would check like the sentiment and all that, but let's see if it does a retest here. Or if it goes back and says retest. Right there. And that would be SL. Be right there. Okay, what pause it? See if it hit on this side. Oh, the SR would have been moved up, of course, by the time it. And it's 86 pips. So I'm trying to think where we'll be trailing. So 86 minus. I'm trying to think. 86. What's 86? Minus. Oh, wait, here we go. 86 minus 25. Alright, so we made 61 pips. So 61 plus 67, 128. So now we're at 128. Oops. 128 pips. Perfect. Then let's see if I can. Fast, it's moving fast. Let's see. And you can see where that is, where I am on GBP CHF, but each of them have their own values. Some are larger, some are smaller, but I figured I'd show you GBP CHF. Then continue. Okay. Oh, wait. See if we gotta. I don't think it moved far enough. No. Okay. Okay. And it hit target. 50 pips. So it was 50 plus 128. So plus 50. 178. Alright, so you basically get the point. I mean, I've done this over and over, but you basically get the point. This is going to be something that I'm going to implement on the next trading challenge. And I've been watching this, like I said, as long as the hedge. I've been watching this like probably longer than the hedge. I think I've been watching this for over a year, actually. I mean, I came up with it around the same time, but I came up with the market stick probably like 2-3 months before, I think. I don't know. I mean, I was doing a lot of different studies at once, but you get the idea. Basically, we're looking for pullbacks, breakouts. You're just looking, use that as how you want to trade it. I mean, this is how I'm trading it. You can use those as area of just knowing where there's just where the support is, or where the area of resistance is. I mean, that's basically why I call it market stick. I mean, it just constantly works over and over and over again.